Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka and today I'm going to be reviewing this one. It is a Loreal X Sabyasachi collection and this is a limited edition collection. It's a recent launch and it was super sold out on Nykaa. Like by the time I went to order it, I think I immediately tried to order it, and most of the lipstick shades in the combos, that means most of the combos were sold out. There were just two options left, and since it is a collaboration with Sabyasachi, I thought it would be pretty unique and I went ahead and ordered. So I'll just show you guys everything in this combo and I'll talk you through. So there are a couple of products which you can buy single products as well. So there are a couple of lipsticks, mascara, eyeliner, and I think that is pretty much it. And there are combos like this which will have mascara, eyeliner and a lipstick of your choice. So there are a couple of shades that you can choose from. So this pouch is free with the combo. So the combo came up to 1400 something. So I thought for three L'Oreal products which are in the Sabyasachi collaboration and the pouch were a pretty good deal. So that's one of the reasons why I picked it up, along with me just being fascinated with the collab. So L'Oreal does these really nice collaborations. Earlier also there was a collab with Balmain. It's a luxury brand, so I picked up that one also, and the quality of that particular packaging was amazing. So I am a little disappointed in this one comparatively, and even generally when you see a name like Sabyasachi. So the pouch is basically black with this gold detailing which says Loreal X Sabyasachi with the Sabyasachi's logo. The backside is plain and this is how the inner packaging looks. Pretty basic black pouch, but however with this gold detailing it does seem a little better. So that was the free pouch that came in with these three products. So these three products individually when you purchase, it is a little high. So most of the products are priced around 800-900 generally, even a single lipstick or a mascara or eyeliner. So that way when I saw the three products together at 1400, I thought it was a pretty good deal, especially considering the collaboration and a free pouch which has Sabyasachi on it. But I don't think this is actually worth it, and I'll tell you why. I'll walk you through all the products. So firstly, all three of them have a very nice outer packaging which says Loreal X Sabyasachi, and that's pretty much it. That's where it ends, because the inner packaging is the usual L'Oreal packaging. I think they have repackaged this particular product, and even the liner, they look different from, they look new, they look different from their old packaging, the previous packaging. But this has nothing to do with Sabyasachi, so only the outer packaging is what you're paying for, or what the whole collab is about. So when you're saying there's a brand collab for L'Oreal and Sabyasachi, why not do the lipstick? So if I'm carrying a lipstick, I would rather have a logo on that or some sort of a representation on that rather than the outer packaging, which I'm probably not going to keep. I really like L'Oreal as a brand. It's one of my favorite brands. If you've seen some of my previous videos, I reviewed some of their lipsticks, and even in my beauty hauls you see a lot of L'Oreal makeup. It's the first time that I'm disappointed in something that I picked up from L'Oreal. It's just surprising. So this is the mascara, and it's pretty much the usual packaging. It's the Volume Million Lashes. And I've tried this mascara and it's actually a very good mascara. I'm wearing it right now. I'll show you guys a quick demo also. It applies really well, and it's a very good mascara actually. It opens up your lashes and separates your lashes, gives a little bit of volume also. You don't even have to wear like fake lashes. You can totally wear this and go for a wedding. So this is a very good mascara, and I already have this in a different color, like a purple color packaging. It's pretty much the same. It works the same. This is becoming a rant video slowly, probably the first one on my channel. But yeah, it's a great mascara. If it had the Sabyasachi thing or logo or some sort of a unique thing which says collaboration, I would have really appreciated it. But anyhow, it is a good mascara, but I think you shouldn't spend extra money or specifically purchase the combo for the mascara, because it's the usual mascara. And now coming to the liner, again the outer packaging is like this, and this one is actually priced at 600 when you purchase it individually. This is how it looks inside, and yeah, it is the black lacquer by Super Liner, and it says it's waterproof. This is the renewed packaging, but it doesn't have anything to do with Sabyasachi. There's no logo here. So yeah, basically I drew it here, but I'll do it again. So you can draw a precise line like this, or you can draw like a thicker line. So yeah, it's pretty good that you can draw a thin line, but this dries really fast, so that's where the problem is. I'll show you guys a demo here. There is nothing great about the liner because I've used even the 100 rupees or 120 rupees Lakme liner and it applies better. So when you're applying it on the eyelid, it's not super black. It applies very patchy. There are gaps, like when I'm applying it here, you can see in the demo that there are patches. I'm trying to draw a wing at the end also, it is applying very patchily. That means I have to do like 2-3 lines, go dip inside it again, and because it dries fast. I guess it's because it dries fast. So the second time when I'm applying it, it removes the first layer of the liner. So it is a little bit tedious. So I think if I'm paying 600, this is not what I would expect out of a L'Oreal liner. So the end result is pretty good. I'm wearing it on my eyes right now. It looks really pretty, but then applying it is a time-taking process. Now moving on to the last product, that is the lipstick. Again, the outer packaging is like this. It's very beautiful. And I got it in a red shade, and this is the Color Reach Matte Lipstick. It is in the shade Pure Rouge. And it's a very beautiful red. It's like a true red, and I think this is a lipstick which goes well with all skin tones, fair, medium, deeper skin tones. I think it look beautiful on dusky and wheatish skin tones actually. It may not look the same on every skin tone. This is how it looks on me, but you can see in the bullet that it has a little bit of that maroonish tint. So I think on deeper skin tones it will look different. This is such a beautiful shade, and this is how it looks. It'll be perfect for this wedding and festive season, but then it bleeds out of your lips. I'll insert clips here. So I just filmed 2 videos and then I had a slight snack and maybe water, and by then it started bleeding out of my lips, and it does transfer a lot. So you will have to mattify it, like put a tissue paper on it, apply a little bit of like translucent powder and mattify it a little bit. And also definitely have to use a lip liner, otherwise it will bleed out of your lips. It did. I had to clean up around my lips again and put on concealer. So that's it. That is my honest review about this particular collab. I think I like the Balmain collab a little bit better. At least it had a wick, not just the carton, but the actual lipstick also had the collaboration design made separately. So I think that was a pretty good purchase. You can get the usual products rather than purchasing the collaboration product. It's not that great, guys. So unless you are okay with putting in like 1400 or 1400 something, I would suggest you don't get it and wait for the next collaboration, and also then look at reviews and then purchase it. So that was about today's video, guys. I'm sorry about the little bit of a rant that went on in this video, but I just wanted to let you guys know so that you don't purchase it and then regret it. So I generally do a lot of fashion and beauty videos, lookbooks, street shopping hauls, online shopping, beauty videos, reviews, and so many other things. So do check out my channel if you're new to my channel and subscribe. And also I'll leave my Instagram handle here. I post a lot of looks and mini reviews there also. So I'm sure you'll find it pretty interesting there. Do follow me there, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.